Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journal. Today we will learn how to restrict notes on Instagram. And the first step, if you want to restrict these notes, this option is not exist in the Instagram app. So I have a couple of solutions, and the first solution is you select the people do you don't want see your notes. You can give these people unfollow, and the other solution is go to the option of settings and configurations in this in the bottom of the superior right corner in these three lines, and you need to go to the option of close friends. This option, wait a minute, I translate this page, and you can go to the option of settings and privacy, and you pick here in close friends, and you can select the people do you don't want view your note. So this is the two options. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.